So here's the bottom line with the band. 30 years they've been playing.
We used to be the hardest working band in soul business.
We got caught up doing these stupid corporate gigs.
They took a wrong turn. It's not a big deal. I'm going to bring them back up to speed. It's easy. It's just marketing, and we're going to get it done sooner than later. Watch.
We're Jack Mack, and this is our Soul Shack. We've been coming here for 30 years. It's time we let everyone in on our little secret. You never know who's gonna come through that door, but whoever does, they've always got a song and a story to tell.
No, you don't. No, wait, hey, no. You can't play with me. Watch out. You know what? I'm going to come after you. You have no idea. Yes, come in. Hold on. Oh, hey, Bill. Good to see you. Yes. You know what? My attorney's just going to call you. Watch.
Who's that?
Just my mom.
Really? So what's up?
I got Taylor, Grimm, and Salgado. All you have to do is back them up.
When is it?
About an hour.
Boy, Beethoven, you city dogs are dumber than a bag of hammers. Oh, God. Yeah, Billy.
Who are you?
I got called in this morning. I'm doing
some voiceovers for Beethoven cartoons.
Dickhead just booked a rehearsal in an hour. Can you get down here, like, now?
I'll be right there. Just gotta get a few fleas first.
Hey,
Numbnuts booked the rehearsal. Get down here as soon as you can, all right?
chill, man. It's all good.
I was so in love, too blind to see. She didn't care a damn about me.
Yeah, my father was Johnny Taylor. He was this huge soul music icon.
Who's making love to your old lady while you was out making love? Tell me.
I came out here to be an actress, and I got a job as a personal assistant for a band. But the road manager, I don't think he likes me too much. No way. Oh my gosh, I wanted to go to that show so bad. Nah, they'll let me go. Do whatever I want here.
Hey, what's up?
Not too much.
Well, weren't you supposed to go pick up Michael Grimm at like now o'clock?
This Soul Shack, this is an interesting place. I didn't even know anything like this existed.
Baby, take off your coat real slow. Take off your dress. Yes, baby, yes, yes. But you can leave your hat on. Yeah, you can leave your hat on.
I'm going to Jack Mack's Soul Shack.
I'm a love man. Call me the love man.
My name is Curtis Salgado. I am a rhythm and blues singer, songwriter, harmonica player.
Yeah. Well, I'm 6'1", weight 210. A long hair, pretty fair skin. A long leg and I'm out of sight. I ain't no doubt about it. I wanna take you on up 'cause I'm a love man.
I got a problem with the manager. I don't know what is up with this guy. I mean, he must be bipolar or something.
Answer the phone.
Hey,
Hey,
what's up?
I got good news and bad news. We got a gig for them with Fruit of the Loom underwear.
You mean the dancing fruit, right?
Yeah.
Well, what is that? Good news or bad news?
Pays a lot of money, so relax.
Relax, I'm kind of busy here. What's the bad news?
They gotta play in their underwear.
Everything's going great, and then the next minute he's got them playing in their underwear. Okay, you're coming down here to tell him that.
Oh, hell no. I'm not telling him. You can tell him.
What am I supposed to say, huh?
Handle it.
They want you to play in underwear.
I don't even look at me in my underwear.
Out of control.
The gig is booked. Can you handle it?
Sometimes I think, Lord.
Then he makes me tell the band everything, and that makes me look like I'm the bad guy.
Too much trouble. Yeah, too much pain. Come on. So let's.
You gotta trust somebody. Might as well be Dayton.
Yes, in underwear. Trust me.